their hot hatch. It's the first of their N-brand performance models, and it's been developed at the Nürburgring. Now onto the bonnet, there's a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine in 2 power outputs. The standard car has 247 brake horsepower, and the performance pack has 271 brake horsepower. Now the performance pack does 0 to 62 miles an hour in 6.1 seconds, and the standard car does it in 6.4. Inside there's the usual familiar fare of sporty seats and lots of extra fancy bits of trim. Now the performance pack adds a limited slip differential, larger brakes, larger wheels and sticky Pirelli P0 tyres. But all cars get an N mode, a rev matching function and launch control. Now prices should start from around £28,000 when it goes on sale next